So guys, nandito tayo right now sa Oppo here in Shanghai and hawak na natin si Oppo Find N6. Ganito itsura niya. Meron siyang color orange, meron siyang carbon fiber black na gold linings. And this is the creaseless na phone. And honestly, totoo nga. Wala akong masalat to. Totoo. Hindi ako nagbibiro kahit tinignan sa side, sa angle. Wala akong nasasalat, no. It's really good, no. Yun yung pinapromo. Ayan, tina guys. Wala, oh. Walang crease halos. Nanonotice ko, kahit salatin ko, wala nasasalat. Galing. Paano nila ginawa to? Pretty thin. And this is yung kanyang pricing. So, pag sinara natin, this is how it looks like. Ayan siya. And this is the outer display. Expect mo naman pretty smooth naman ang camera. Nonetheless. And it's going to give you some really nice and awesome na pictures as expected naman from a Oppo camera. Diba? So, nonetheless, sharp. Wala akong masabi. And siguro na-amaze lang talaga ako sa pagka-creaseless nitong phone na ito. No? So, a little bit hard to open it on one hand. So, I need a little bit of assist from my other hand para ma-open siya. But nonetheless, sobrang ganda ng kanyang display. Ano tingin niyo dito, guys? Let me know in the comments.